Hey y'all, if you're viewing this, it should be Monday and you are a B-Day student. So Monday the 20th and or an A-Day student on Wednesday the 23rd. I am going to explain your assignments for the entire week in this video, but if these directions do not make sense, please do not hesitate to reach out to me for clarification or any kind of further guidance. The assignment for your first day of remote learning, so either Monday or Wednesday, is to complete the Common Lit that is on Adolf Hitler, and it should come up when you log into Common Lit. I have assigned it to you. However, on Friday, you have the draft of your narrative writing due to me, and that is not technically assigned until your second day of remote learning. If you would like to get a head start on this because you feel like it will take you a bit longer or because you just kind of want to get a head start, I've attached it here as well. But again, this is not due until Friday in draft form. But when you open it, what you will find is that you are to take that shark bait you did for me last week where you wrote about an object or a location that holds a very special meaning to you. And you're going to expand that into a 3 to 5 paragraph narrative essay. In the narrative essay, what I'm looking for is that you explain the object or place that has special meaning for you. You support why that object or place is special to you with relevant and specific examples. That your organization is clear, there is a logical progression of ideas, and there is a very clear beginning, middle, and end. Finally, I want to ensure that you have no distracting grammatical errors. What that means is, as humans, we make mistakes. So obviously you're going to find a few mistakes. Even in my writing for my PhD program, I make mistakes. That is okay. That happens to the best of us. What we are looking for is to ensure that the mistakes within your paper do not take away from the meaning of your paper. So when I'm reading it, I'm not distracted by trying to figure out what I'm reading, but instead it just kind of is there and I move forward with my comprehension of your piece. The assignment in writing is here for you. And I have this reminder that because it is a narrative, you can use first person. What that means is you can say, I felt this, we went here. You don't have to remove yourself from it. In fact, it should have first person. But in formal writing, we never use contractions, period. So whenever you write for me, there should not be a contraction because you are always writing in an academic setting when you are writing for me, even a narrative. So do not use contractions. Again, a contraction is like instead of me saying you're going to enjoy this, I say you are. That you are is not using contractions. The your here is using contractions. And again, you do not want to have those in your writing. On Tuesday, you are simply going to be continuing the work on your narrative essay, and you are going to complete a short no red ink for me that exists right here for you, and it will schedule to be in the feed on Tuesday. Once again, I am always here to support you, so please do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can get in touch with me through email, Google Classroom, or through our Remind Classroom. If for some reason you are not a member of our Remind, please reach out to me via email so we can put you in there. Again, that attendance form when you are remote learning from home needs to be completed by 3 p.m. Please do not forget the attendance form. All right, I'll be in touch soon. I look forward to seeing you all this week.